Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare a traditional recipe Paramannam or Bellam Annam. This is prepared to offer as Naivedyam to goddess on Vara Lakshmi Vratam and also on Devi's Navaratrulu. Most of you might be knowing how to prepare this recipe. Let's see how to prepare this super easy recipe without curdling milk. First, take 1 cup of rice in a bowl. Wash it couple of times with water and soak in water for 30 minutes. Now take a deep vessel, add 4 cups of milk and 1 cup of water to it for 1 cup of rice. Allow the milk to boil, then drain the water from the rice and add the soaked rice. Cook the rice in the milk until it turns soft. You can see the rice is so soft. Next is the most important step. Switch off the flame and add 1.5 cups of jaggery for 1 cup of rice. Adding jaggery while the flame is on makes the milk to curdle. So make sure to switch off the flame before adding jaggery. Now mix well and allow the jaggery to melt in the hot rice while the flame is still off. You can see the jaggery is melted. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. Once it is hot, you can add nuts. I am adding here chopped coconut pieces, cashew nuts and few raisins. You can add nuts of your choice. Saute until they turn golden brown in color and then transfer this to the prepared Paramannam. Now mix well and offer this to the god as Naivedyam. You can have this later with your family members after offering to God. It is a simple and easy recipe, yet very rich, creamy and delicious. Do try and let us know how it turns in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!